So begins our story of our misadventure at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. So I've titled it Cassie and Kirsten versus the volcano. We were super psyched and thought we were prepared for our adventure. This is the volcano that we climbed. It is the east side of Kilauea, and it is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. It is currently erupting in Hawaii. In retrospect, not one of the best decisions we've ever made. So, here we are on top of an active volcano, and Cassie and I somehow seem to walk, hi Cass, we seem to walk like a little too far, and now we're actually like on top of it, so we're literally on this like molten bed of lava, and we're trying to get back, and the ground is like crumbling below us, and we're the only people out here. As you can tell, here's the lava, which we can smell, the sulfur, because we're literally like 10 feet away from it, and here's everything else around us. Do you see that? That's a whole lot of nothing around us. And now listen to the lava. I don't know if you can hear it smoldering and crackling, but literally it's pretty freaky, because like this shit's like, oh my gosh. Here we are, like I said, literally in the middle of this national park, and we're the only ones out here, and this lava is intense. So like, there's a big crack in the earth. They're all over the place here because this stuff is just cracking everywhere. Can you hear it? Oh my gosh. Wow. Pray that Cassie and I get back safely, because look at the ground in front of us. There was no moon on this particular night, so it was pitch black. Besides the little headlamp and the flashlights that we had no other light source. And the ground below us kept cracking, and it was very dangerous. And we started to realize that we were in trouble. After being lost for almost 8 hours, we began to panic and realized that we needed help. It was like the scene out of a movie. Cassie's phone had already died, and mine only had 2% battery left. We decided we needed to call for help. We did, and my phone died in the middle of the conversation before I could even tell them where we were at. This is the message I received once we were able to plug our phones in again. Of course, it didn't help us much at that point.
Kirsten, this is the fire department. If you get this message, again, stay where you are. Don't move. We have help coming. Thank you.
We never received that message because my phone cut out right when they said don't, and I was like, don't what? Don't what? Well, we kept on moving because we were afraid for our lives at this point. We had made our way almost off the volcano by the time search and rescue arrived, and they said that it was one of the easiest rescues that they had ever done. And that things don't normally end this well, but in our case it did, and we were very blessed. Because we were fortunate enough to be able to basically rescue ourselves. And if that's not metaphorical for life, we need to rescue ourselves. And just a friendly PSA to all my fellow thrill seekers: do not attempt to climb a volcano at sunset or while it is actively erupting. Sending prayers to the people of Hawaii during this eruption of Kilauea. It's crazy to think that we were just there, hoping everyone is safe.